Hi, ESL2. There are a couple of announcements that I wanted to give you guys. Number one, don't forget to make a comment on the Google Classroom thread in order to get 5 extra credit points to be put on third quarter. All you have to do is write me a sentence. So if you look back here at my Google Classroom, a couple of days ago I posted this message. All you have to do is write me one sentence and I will give you 5 extra credit points. So for example, if you just said, Miss T, I miss you. That counts as 5 extra credit points, and it helps me to see that you are online and that you are getting all the information that you need. The second announcement I wanted to make is that today from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., if you do not have a computer at home, then you can pick one up at the front of the school. So make sure that if you don't have a computer at home that you can use and you only have a cell phone, that you go to the school today to go pick one up. So now I want to go into what your lesson is going to be for today. So if you go back to the Google Classroom, it says Pandemic Reflection. Go back to instructions. So first, you will have to click on these Google Slides, and you're going to read everything and watch the video. And then when you click on the lesson, I'll show you what that looks like. On the lesson, you are going to have part 1, which is going to be listening activity questions that you need to answer based on one of the videos I'm going to show you on my slides. In the second half, you are going to have to write a 2-paragraph summary describing to me how COVID-19, how the pandemic is affecting you and your family. So I want you to tell me about how you're feeling right now. Do you feel safe? What scares you right now? What do you feel like you need that you don't have? So right here, I gave you the first part of your sentence. Right now during the COVID-19 pandemic, I feel. So right underneath here, you are going to have to write your 2-paragraph reflection. But first, let's go back to my Google Slides. So I'm going to put this in present mode so you guys can see it. So let's go past our announcements. So first, let's talk about what the prefix pan means. So as you guys remember, I taught you what prefixes are. Prefixes are parts of words that come at the beginning. So pan as a prefix in Latin and Greek roots means all or everything. So some other prefixes that begin with pan are pantheist, panacea, or pandemonium. So pantheist means all religions. Panacea means a cure for all things. So if there's a medicine that could cure every disease, that would be a panacea. And a pandemonium means that everything is in chaos. And chaos means that everything is bad, everything is in destruction. So let's think about, what do you think the word pandemic means? So pan, we know, means all. So what does this whole word mean, pandemic? So I would like you guys to watch this video about pandemics in history, and they're going to go through a little bit about what the word pandemic means and how that is different than the word epidemic that you may have heard in the past. So here is what you need to do today. So after you watch this video, you need to go back to the Google Doc assessment that I gave you in Google Classroom. You have to answer questions related to the video as a listening activity. So if you could have them both up on the screen at the same time, that would probably be best. After you do that, I just want you to write 2 paragraphs about how you are feeling right now during this pandemic. I hope you guys are all doing great. And if you have any questions, please ask me. Just email me. My office hours are going to be from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. today, and every day, Monday through Friday, that we are supposed to have school. I miss you all. Good luck, and I hope to hear from you soon.